Okay, so you've made it to April 22nd. Today we are going to be viewing the lesson about how to read primary source images. When you open that, it's again going to take you to a video lesson with the slides and with a graphic organizer. Just like the other lessons that I've done via video, it's going to be more helpful to actually hear me explain things because I can't possibly fit all of the explanations on a slide. Otherwise, you would be reading basically a novel. So my suggestion is to use one of the graphic organizers for each of the images. Again, just pull it into any app, or if you don't like using apps, you can copy it onto any piece of paper that you have. But the same images used in this lesson are going to be the images that show up on your skills check. So after you have viewed the lesson, we can go back to our homepage. We can scroll down and we can do the reading images skill check. Yours is going to say, take the quiz. It is not a quiz again. It's open note. Retake it as many times as you want. Use your resources. You will want to get a 7 out of 10 on this. And this one is multiple choice because it is self-graded. The first few questions are about the general, how do I look and analyze primary sources. Then we start getting into the images themselves. The first few questions are about pre-reading the images or just picking up basic information about them. But then it starts to delve into some more specific information about them, like what kind of educated guesses can we make about the image? And then the last few questions are about like deep analysis, like what can I prove or not prove? How can I use this image as evidence instead of just something to look at? I will give you a warning. I have this quiz set up so that when you are completing it, it is not going to show the same questions every single time. That is because I have it grouped by source type and then set to show you different sources when you do a retake. The questions are equal difficulty, but they are different. You might also notice that the last two questions are just kind of like throwaway questions to give you easy points. Um, you can't really see, and my hair is a mess. It's still blue. So it was blue in that lesson, and it's still blue now. And then on this question, I'm just going to go ahead and say, when I don't have a script, I say things like right off the bat, a ton. Okay, so hopefully this helped you with the April 22nd e-learning. If you have any more questions, make sure you send me an email or a message.